This holiday season, your Christmas shopping can literally earn you free flights, free hotels, and free vacations without spending anything extra. And here's what most people don't even realize: how easy this is. Hey friends, I'm Tim from Travel Multiplier, where I help people unlock free travel using everyday spending. And today, I'm going to show you how your holiday shopping this Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas, and more can earn you thousands of extra travel points using one simple tool, the Rakuten Shopping Portal. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your Christmas shopping into free travel, step by step. And I'll show you some of the best Rakuten offers that I'm excited about right now that can multiply your points fast. Let's start with why holiday shopping is the best time to earn points. The average family spends hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars between November and December. Most people see that as a financial stress, but travel hackers see it as a once-a-year opportunity. Here's why. You're already spending this money. Rakuten increases their payouts during Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and the Christmas season. You can use those to earn American Express points worth far more than cash back. So by stacking Rakuten with your credit card rewards, you multiply your points. But remember, travel hacking is not about spending more. It's simply about earning more from what you are already spending. So let's talk about how Rakuten actually works. Rakuten is a free shopping portal. By starting on their website, you click through Rakuten before you shop at stores you're already buying from online. Amazon, Nike, Target, Best Buy, Walmart, Samsung, Sephora, and hundreds more. Rakuten gets a commission when you click through their site, but instead of keeping it, they're giving it to you. Here's what's amazing. If you link your Rakuten account to your American Express account, those rewards become membership rewards points, which can easily be worth 2 to 4 times more valuable than normal cash back. So for example, if you get 10% back on Rakuten and send that to your American Express account, that's like 10x points on your purchase. Then those membership rewards points can turn into free flights or hotels. Or you could even do what I did and use some of those American Express points for business class flights to Europe. This is exactly how normal families get outsized travel value without spending more. So let's talk about where to look for the best holiday Rakuten deals. Rakuten goes crazy during Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas week, end of year clearance, and most stores jump from 1 to 3% back in points to 10, 15, 20% or more. Here's some of my favorites right now. PetSmart, 20x. Lego, 15x. Sam's Club, 12x. Groupon, 12x. Macy's, 12x. HelloFresh, 35x. That's just a very fast glimpse into the hundreds of retailers that you can use to multiply your travel rewards. So if you want to leverage your holiday shopping to turn it into free travel, the first step is creating your free Rakuten account. You can use the link below in the description, and it gets you and me a bonus when you make your first purchase. So sign up for Rakuten using the link in my description. It's completely free, no strings attached, takes 30 seconds, and it can earn hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars in free travel throughout the year. This holiday season, you don't have to spend more. You just need to use the right tools to earn free travel. Your next free trip starts now.